Excuse me, Teddy. Soup's up, Paul.
Something else is up as well, isn't it?
This?
Yeah.
I'd like you to sit in it. I'd like you to sit in it if you would.
Ted's in it.
Well, Ted will get off for you. Come on. It's for Mr. Paul.
I'll get in, yeah?
Yep.
Hey.
There you go, Paul. Vegetable, yeah?
Thank you.
When I see you there, Paul, and your little Christmas throne...
I'm like the picture of Christmas fun, aren't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you feel a bit more Christmassy?
Yeah, look, I'll go along with it, Bob, yeah. Yeah, I mean, look, the lights are flashing and that always, you know.
I bet you've been gobsmacked at how beautiful it is.
I am. Absolutely.
It was a lovely place to grow up. And with all this...
Yeah.
It is all so accessible, you know?
Yeah, it's incredible. I'll tell you what I'm going to do now, though, Bob.
What are you going to do now?
Wolf this down.
Yeah?
And gun fishing.
Whoa, we're at the last chance saloon, Paul.
Well, I'm not mucking about, come on.
Good luck, Paul. Here we go. Boom.
All right.
Let it get down, Paul. Let it get down. The fish are lying low. The fish are lying low. Come on. Concentrate.
Oh, he's in, look!
Yes, yes!
It's a trout, I think.
Oh, but something, Paul, to end our
Something,
day.
look, as we caught something from the tees. Go on, Bob. Well, it's not a salmon, is it? Look at that.
That is a tease trout.
Beauty, he's a beauty.
Look at his beautiful blue
Oh
on
no,
him.
that blue sheen and those lovely red spots. Thank you, Mr. Tees Trout. There we go.
Oh, he's frisky.
Oh,
And away.
Well,
Happy Christmas. Well done.
Merry
We've got
Christmas,
something.
Bob.
Hey,
A little Christmas trout.
a little Christmas trout.
I mean, you know, he's not in season, but he came up, didn't he? He came up to say hello.
Thank you, Tees.
Woo! Bob, you don't seem very happy. What's the matter?
Huh?
You seem a bit down.
Yeah, I'm a bit down, actually. Yeah.
What about if they liked or subscribed to Bob and Paul's YouTube channel? Would that cheer you up a bit?
Yeah, that would help a bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there you go then. See if you can cheer Bob up a little bit by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel.
I might even get out of bed.